Honda is creating history once more, almost 25 years after the first Civic Type R left an assembly line in Suzuka, Japan. This time, it coincides with the introduction of the brand new 2023 Honda Civic Type R, the automaker's quickest and most potent vehicle to bear the gleaming etch insignia on the American market. And by staying with us until the end of this video, you're going to find out 7 amazing things you didn't know existed on this car. But first, click on the subscribe button to stay informed on more car updates and news like this one. Let's dive in. You pretty much already want to know how much horsepower the new Civic Type R makes, so let's begin with that. How then do 315 ponies sound? The turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine also produces 310 pound-feet of torque, an increase of 15 pound-feet over the vehicle's previous model. That's 9 more than the previous model. It still drives the front wheels with a 6-speed manual transmission, so that's true. The last time one of our automotive experts reviewed a Honda Civic Type R, he called the car an affordable exotic that's just so entertaining to drive that it's hard to resist. Honda claims that in addition to boosting power, the new Civic Type R was built to provide exhilarating performance with an addicting driving experience. Those conclusions will undoubtedly apply to the brand new Civic Type R. According to Honda, the new Type R generates 310 pound-feet of torque between 2,600 and 4,000 revolutions per minute and 315 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute. The Type R formerly produced 306 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. The manufacturer also claims that the new Type R is quicker and the engine is more responsive than before. It boasts an improved exhaust system, a modified turbocharger, and a higher air intake flow rate. An active exhaust valve opens at greater RPM to let everyone nearby know you're moving quickly. When you hit your new car hard, improved engine cooling guarantees continued performance. With a lighter flywheel, more accurate shifts, and enhanced downshift rev matching, Honda improves the manual gearbox. Naturally, the helical limited slip front differential is returning. Otherwise, with the amount of torque going to the front wheels, how would this monster accelerate? Quite intriguing, huh? The existing driving modes of Comfort, Sport, and Plus R are joined by the new Individual Driving Mode, which enables a driver to modify the dynamic behavior of the vehicle to suit personal tastes. Note that a button on the center console gives Honda drivers rapid access to the Plus R mode. In comparison to the previous generation, Honda says the new Type R has improved suspension and steering performance. The new Type R holds a new lap record in Suzuka in Japan, while Honda tweaked the vehicle on Germany's legendary Nürburgring, indicating that it will be a laugh riot to drive. Honda affirms that the adjustable damping suspension will remain a feature of the revised Type R. Wheels are downsized from 20s to new matte black 10-spoke, 19-inch rims. The Brembo Performance brakes with 2-piece front rotors and red-painted calipers are wrapped by Honda in performance tires with a profile of 265/30 ZR19 Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. Honda has historically attempted to reduce weight in order to increase Civic Type R performance. The actions the company could have made to lessen the total heft of the upcoming 2023 model haven't been confirmed by the company. Now we're done with specs, let's dive a little bit more to the aesthetics, and that's where the exterior comes in. The new 2023 Civic Type R, which is based on the most recent Honda Civic hatchback, ditches the boy racer style of the previous generation model in favor of a more understated but no less serious look. The new Type R has significantly better integrated aerodynamic components that increase downforce and decrease drag, making it longer, lower, and broader than the previous model. The reworked side sills, an unusual basket handle rear spoiler, and a new rear diffuser panel with the Type R's distinctive 3 round exhaust outlets in the middle are just a few of the highlights of the design revisions. The front and back bumpers have also been restyled. The 2023 Type R has bigger rear doors that it does not share with the conventional Civic hatchback, and it is mounted on new 19-inch lightweight matte black wheels hidden behind flared fenders. Overall, the new design is more mature than the previous vehicle and less obnoxious. Championship White, Racing Blue Pearl, Rally Red, Crystal Black Pearl, and Sonic Gray Pearl are some of the 2023 Honda Civic Type R's available colors. The new Type R's design is completed with red brake calipers and emblems with red accents. Moving down, we have the interior as the next big thing. Inside, the black interior is dominated by red elements that are carried over from the Civic Sport Touring hatch. A 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, dual-zone automatic temperature control, unique metal pedals, an aluminum shift knob, and silver center console trim are among the features. Honda also included racing harness pass-throughs and red simulated suede wrapped, heavily bolstered front performance seats in the new Type R. The carpets and interior trim are also the same color. Each car's dashboard is embellished with a serialized Type R plaque that shows the specific production number. Further down, we have technology. A picture is said to be worth 1,000 words, according to an old proverb. That's accurate when it comes to the first official pictures of the brand new Honda Civic Type R, because Honda stayed silent about a lot of the specifics of this hot hatch in the lead up to the official introduction. We discovered the 2017 Type R has the same 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system as the Civic Sport Touring hatchback, thanks to photos. Honda has now acknowledged it. Thus, the Type R supports wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, wireless Sirius XM, and a wireless phone charger. It is paired by Honda with a 12-speaker Bose high-end audio system. The 10.2-inch digital instruments display on the 2023 Civic Type R also has an exclusive perspective that works in tandem with the vehicle's Plus R driving mode. With this view, the data panel's upper half is altered to graphically represent the engine's revolutions per minute, RPM, the selected gear, and the vehicle's speed. The lower portion of the display can be programmed by drivers. Although it no longer needs a smartphone app, Honda's logger performance data recording technology remains over from the previous model. It captures performance data in real time, comes with a timer for documenting lap times, and enables sharing of logger system data in video format. Never again will TikTok be the same. By now, you must be wondering how safe this car is. Well, don't worry, we're going to cover that right now. Honda hasn't yet specified what will be included in the next model since safety features don't help the Civic Type R sell, though it's safe to assume that it will sport the most recent Civic's revised advanced compatibility engineering car architecture and new front airbag designs that offer improved head injury protection. The Honda Sensing collection of cutting-edge driver assistance features will also be available on the new Type R. The steering wheel button for adaptive cruise control makes it obvious. Honda Sensing offers the new Civic Type R adaptive cruise control as well as forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping aid, and lane centering assistance. The Type R is also anticipated to come with a blind spot detection system with rear cross-traffic alert. Expect the Type R to lack semi-autonomous features like Honda's traffic congestion assist technology or low-speed automated braking when parking, as it only has a manual transmission. Next, we have the competition. A 3-person class is where the 2023 Civic Type R competes. Only the Volkswagen Golf R and Toyota GR Corolla are 300-plus horsepower sport compacts that are sold in big quantities. Furthermore, all-wheel drive is standard on each of those. Yoda and VW are attractive in and of themselves, but the Civic Type R has a well-deserved reputation for pumping dopamine and adrenaline straight into the driver's pleasure regions. The updated 2023 Honda Civic Type R will undoubtedly do the same thing. And finally, what's the price for this car? Early in 2023, the new Honda Civic Type R will be available for purchase in Europe. Honda has not disclosed the pricing for the UK, but the North American price of $43,990, about £38,000, has been verified. Although it costs around £5,000 more than the previous model, the Volkswagen Golf R and BMW M135i both cost more over £40,000. To let us know in the comments box below if you found this video helpful. Boop the like icon to help this video get to others as well. And don't forget to subscribe to never miss any car updates. If you stuck with us thus far, then you're quite fortunate, because by now you must be wondering what other cars you didn't know things about. Well, this is exactly why this playlist over here was made, so go over there right now.